Mga kapuso, matagbulan sa Hunyo atong ginasaulog ang Scoliosis Awareness Month. Aron nga, ipakailap ang mga mahinungdanong impormasyon labot ni ini. Og this morning, atong mas palawman pa ang atong kahibalo labot sa scoliosis. Kauban ang founder sa Scoliosis Philippines nga si Amanda Quiamco. Ma'am Amanda, maayong buntag ug welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta, ma'am?
Maayong buntag, naadire nag-quarantine kay tungod at ICQ na punta.
Well, sakto yun kadiya, ma'am, no, kinahanglan maging safe ta o ganing healthy karong panahon sa pandemya. Pero unang-una, ma'am, gusto na mo mahibalaan kung unsa ba ang misyon ni ining inyuhang grupo or organisasyon ng Scoliosis Philippines.
Ang Scoliosis Philippines non-profit organization is organized by scoliosis patients in the Philippines. We have different chapters around the Philippines and abroad. Naanami sa mga 40 ka-chapters nationwide. We just started online sa Facebook as a support group, and our aim is to raise awareness and provide support for patients with scoliosis.
And with that picture, ma'am, no, nga naa sa imuhang background nga nakakuha gyud sa akong atensyon, please tell us kung unsa ang kining labot ni ining kondisyon nga scoliosis ug unsa ba ang mga posibleng hinungdan ni ini.
Ang scoliosis, naghiwi ang spine. It can be C or S. Okay? Ang kaning naa sa picture, double ang iyahang curve, that's S. This is severe scoliosis. Naanin ni siya sa level nga for surgery. Ang usa sa mga causes ani kanang congenital or wala nagporma o sakto ang iyang vertebrae or sa spine gani. By the way, this is Dresby. She is from Davao. She's a beneficiary of the Duncan Tree Foundation and SPMC Scoliosis Mission. So it usually occurs from 10 to 15 years old. Malalaki o babae can be affected. The third would be idiopathic or unknown ang cause.
Ma'am Amanda, na-mention ni mo kining juvenile stage o dili ba ka posible nga genetic pud ni siya, pero paunsa ba at an early stage nga mahibal-an sa usa ka tawo nga naa siya scoliosis?
For the past 10 years that I've been doing this campaign, ang screening good helps in fighting scoliosis because getting surgery cost a fortune. Very high risk pag yun siya. If you see someone who has uneven ang shoulder, ang even hips, you will see the sign yourselves. It's very evident. Nagani sila yung mga signs na makita nimo. Find out and reach out to your doctor for assessment or kay i-refer mo ana for x-ray to confirm kung ang inyong anak na ay scoliosis.
Maayo gyud, ma'am, no, naglusad mo aning kampanya to fight against scoliosis, pero unsa ba imong o inyong nahimong inspirasyon, ma'am, nga magpadayon sa paghatag og dugang kaalam kahibalo sa mga tao labot ni ini nga kondisyon. Ingon man, no, pagsugod pod ninyo ni ini.
You know, when someone is someone is sick or someone is afflicted with a condition, dili ra manggod ang pasyente ang maapektuhan. It's the entire family. It's because of the economical factor, ang finances, di ba? Mahal magpa-treatment, the exercise, the bracing, the surgery cost a lot. This was my normal way of sitting. After sa akong brace nakuan ako kanang murag na corrected nako, so I am prone to following the muscle memory nga ni inani ko before kay nag-ana amang ko. That's why there should be a control program. That's why we're very kanang passionate with our campaign, and we are knocking on the Department of Health and PhilHealth to finalize and give attention for the creation of the scoliosis control program in the country. Because up to now, wala pa tayo screening. With our fight for scoliosis, it's all patient-initiated. So this coming June 25, we are organizing Scoliosis Summit. We are inviting everyone to join us this June 25 for the Scoliosis Summit.
Og Ma'am Amanda, isip naka-experience po ka og scoliosis, no, unsa ba imong words of encouragement o message sa mga doon na po'y susamang kondisyon?
I'm knocking to everyone's hearts to support Scoliosis Philippine Support Group's campaign against or fight against scoliosis by spreading the word about scoliosis. It's Scoliosis Awareness Month. If you have scoliosis, please join our support group Scoliosis Philippine Support Group on Facebook. We will be happy to welcome you, and please know that you are not alone. Let's fight this condition together and be one of our advocates.
Alright, thank you so much, Ma'am Amanda. Ug unta no magpadayon ang inyong grupo, organisasyon, ingon man ikaw mismo sa pagtabang sa kining mga scoliosis patients. Amping always, ma'am.
Thank you, Pod!
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.